Hello everybody, welcome. Something quite simple again today. I don't usually buy this sort of stuff. I usually make my own, but I saw these up Aldi. So I thought I'd get them. I got a chicken Penang. Says new. I did see them up there a couple of weeks ago, but I never bought any. There was £1.79 then. Now they're 99p, so I thought I'd get that one. And also, this one was 99p as well. A spicy chicken noodle. Inspired cuisine, balanced box, spicy chicken noodle. 340 calories for the lot. High in protein, low in fat. Same as this one. The chicken Penang. That's 447 calories per old pack. High in protein, low in fat. So let's open them up and let's have a look. Right, so we start off with the chicken Penang then. So, put my glasses on. Inspired cuisine, balanced box. 447 calories per pack. High protein, low fat. There's all the salts and everything else. This one says it's hot, but we all know what that means, don't we? One of your 5 a day. Where are we? There's all the nutrition if you want to have a look at it yourselves. And microwave it for 850 hours. 5 minutes, stir and recover for 3. Pierce film lid a few times. Okay, that's that one. And a spicy chicken noodle. Same inspired cuisine, balanced box. 340 calories. Yeah, there's the salts and the sugars and everything else. This one's a medium heat. Nutrition. Have a pause and do what you do. Ingredients. And it's the same. 5 minutes, stir and recover for 3. Okay, so let's open them up then. Chicken Penang first. Okay, that's it. I mean, how much of the frozen ones in like Iceland and that now? I mean, I never buy them. About £2.50, I suppose, maybe more. I'm not sure. Looks like you get a nice little bit of rice and that in there. Let's try the spicy noodle one. That one looks nice, doesn't it? That does look nice. Okay. I'll give myself a little knife. Piece them both. I'll do the chicken Penang first in the microwave. And then when that one's done, I'll stick that one in. Obviously I'll have to try that first because it's going to be a bit colder, ain't it? Right, that one's done. The chicken Penang, I'll leave it there for a minute. Well, what it's done, it smells very lemony, that one does. Very lemony. Now I'll get the spicy chicken noodle one in. I do like the look of that one. That one does look quite nice actually. Right, the spicy chicken noodle's nearly done. So I'm going to get this one, this chicken Penang. It smells really lemony, you know, this does. Has it got lemon in it? Have a look. If I can read that properly. Lemongrass. You can see, yeah, lemongrass. Yeah, it stinks. Stinks of the lemon. There it is anyway. Take that off. You can see it. It's cooled down a bit now to be able to pick it up. It don't look too bad, does it? For a frozen meal. No, mind you saying that when it sits in a bowl. Looks a bit sickly, doesn't it? But that's what they like, ain't it? There's that one. Not very appetising, is it, that one? And here is the spicy chicken noodle, which I think it looks a lot better. Show ya. There it is. It's hot at the minute, I can't touch it. So while that's cooling down, we'll taste test that one. Okay, chicken Penang. It doesn't look the best, this one. I must admit that. But let's have a try anyway. Try a bit of the rice first. There's the rice, very lemony, very lemony. Try a bit more. Try a bit of sauce. All I can taste is lemon. That's all I can taste. Oh. Don't like that at all. The chicken. I don't like it. No, sorry. It has got a little kick. There's far too much lemongrass in there. For me, anyway. That's all I can taste. But as I say, if you don't like stuff like that, you're going to taste it more, ain't you? Oh. Now, onto the spicy chicken noodle. Alright, put that one out of the way. Now we get the spicy chicken out and have a look. It does look nice, this one. There's that one. Looks a lot better than that other one, doesn't it? I think so anyway. Right, let's taste test that. So, spicy chicken noodle. And it does look a lot better. Doesn't smell of lemon, so that's a good start. Try a couple of noodles first. Okay. Try a bit of that sauce. Sauce is a bit runny. I can grab some. Might be better with a spoon. Let me get a spoon. Grab some of this sauce. Very bland. Very bland. Chicken. Ooh, try it all together. No wonder they've been reduced. There was loads left as well, so people ain't buying them. That's disgusting. There's nothing there. There's no seasoning, there's nothing. I mean the salts and that there. It's got a bit of sugar in there, but that's vile. No, don't like them. There you go. 99p each at the minute. There was 179. No way they're worth 179. And they're worth 99p. I wouldn't buy them, not at all. My opinion though, that one with the lemon, absolutely disgusting. Couldn't stand the stuff. And it was really powerful lemongrass as well on it. Chicken noodles is as plain as anything. Couldn't really taste anything. Yeah, so there you go. As I say, let me know if you've had them. I am the old food guy. They're rubbish, I wouldn't even bother. Till next time, see you later. Bye bye.